Sean Walker from iTrain Hockey. Today we're doing a shooting video. I'm going to teach you how to take a shot in a wind-up. We're going to focus more on a quicker release. So oftentimes whenever I've taught taking shots, normally when we wind up, instead of having our entire blade flat on the ice, typically we try to shoot the puck with the puck on the heel of the blade. If I do this, I try to focus on a sweep, and I sweep it as I shoot, then it could just add resistance to my shot. So we definitely want to be able to place weight into our stick, because what that does is it activates the stick's flex, and it allows me to actually place weight into it, and it'll add some zing behind my shot. But we can flex our stick, and in fact we can even flex the blade. This is one of those sling sticks from Bauer, and it allows you to actually be able to flex the blade of your stick as well too. So in the wind-up, a more advanced way of shooting is actually having just the toe of the blade on the ice. So now I flex my stick and the heel is lifted. I'm flexing the shaft of my stick, and I'm also flexing my blade as well too, and it's going to add a quick release and a little zing to your shot. But what it'll also help is as I'm actually flexing my stick and following through, I have very little resistance, because the only thing that's actually touching the ice is just the toe instead of the full blade. So I'm going to give you some examples on how to do it, and you can see it from there. We'll do a couple shots as well too in slow-mo, so it'll really be able to break down the fact that it may start, the puck starting on the toe, but it'll actually shift to the heel just before you shoot. So in super slow-mo, it might look like this when I wind up. The toe of the blade's on the ice. I flex, 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 and by the time I get it to that critical spot just before you release the puck, where the puck is in line with your front heel, it'll just naturally shift to the heel of the blade, and then you can snap it off the heel. And why is it so important to shoot it off of the heel? It's because it will help me create that saucer technique. If I snap my wrist over and it starts in the heel, and then I shoot it, I can create that saucer technique. But I want you to now start with it on the toe, and it'll naturally come to the heel, and then you're going to snap it off. It'll be a much quicker, more advanced level technique to taking shots. You can take any type of quick release shot that you want, wrist snap or wrist snap shot.